You block 6 hours on a Saturday to batch film. By video 3, you're exhausted. By video 5, every word feels forced. And when you finally finish, you don't want to look at your camera for another 3 weeks. Turns out you hate batch filming, right? Batch filming is not the problem. It's how you batch. I film 4 videos in 2 hours once every 2 weeks. And I'm never behind schedule. This video breaks down 3 things. Why most batch filming systems burn you out. The exact 2-hour system I use. How to protect your energy so you actually enjoy creating. Quick thing first, most creators are solving the wrong burnout problems. I built a free 2-minute quiz that tells you which type you're actually dealing with. So you're not just guessing. The link is in the description. Alright, back to batch filming. Let me show you why most batch filming advice is terrible and the 3 mistakes that make batch filming feel like torture. When I first tried batch filming, I blocked an entire Saturday, set up my camera, opened my scripts, and started filming. Video 1 was great. I had energy, I was excited. Video 3, I could feel myself dragging. My delivery went flat and I kept messing up lines. Video 5, I hated every second of it. I was forcing every word, and all of that because I made these 3 mistakes. Mistake number 1, I filmed on a weekend. Weekends are supposed to be rest time. When you steal from your rest time to work, you don't recover, you just burn out slower. I used to work for a company in Dubai where my boss would call me at 9 p.m. and clients would text me on Sundays. And I answered every time. I never had any boundaries. So when I started YouTube, I promised myself I would never work weekends again. But then I tried batch filming on a Saturday and I broke my own rule. Mistake number 2, I filmed for too long. After 90 minutes, your energy drops, your focus breaks, and everything takes twice as long. But I kept pushing because I thought I'm already set up, might as well keep going. That's how you start hating your work. Mistake number 3, I started from scratch on filming day. I had scripts, but only partly done. No equipment set out, I just spent the first hour to figure out what I was going to say. And by the time I actually started filming, I'd already burned through 30% of my energy. So here's what I do instead. The night before filming, before I go to bed, I do the 20 minutes prep routine. I don't film on weekends anymore, I prep on Sunday evenings. First, I load 4 video scripts into my teleprompter app. Takes maybe 10 minutes. Then I set out my equipment. That's maybe another 5 to 10 minutes. So camera, lights, microphone, teleprompter, everything is ready to go. And last, I pick my outfits. Again, 5 minutes. I either wear the same for all 4 videos or I change between each one. It depends a little bit on my mood and the topics that week. But either way, I decide on the day before, not in the morning before I film. And that's it. 20-30 minutes the night before and I'm ready to film the next morning without thinking. Then on filming day, first setup, that's maybe 10 minutes. Turn on lights, camera, microphone, teleprompter, quick mic check. I set my intention for the session. I'm not scrolling, I'm not checking emails. I'm getting into the zone. And then I start with video 1, usually not more than 20 minutes. I film the entire video. If I mess up a line, I clap loudly. That creates a spike in the waveform I see in the edit and can cut around it. I don't stop filming, I don't review the footage. I keep going. After that, I take a micro break, so around 5 minutes. Stand up, stretch, drink some water, but no phone, no footage review, just rest. And then I go to video 2. Again, 20 minutes, same process. So film, clap if I mess up, and keep going. And so on for all 4 videos. After 2 hours, I'm done. 4 videos filmed, 2 hours in total, and I don't feel exhausted or drained. When I used to film on Sundays or Saturdays, every morning I would wake up and dreading it already. I would procrastinate. I would push it to the afternoon, and by the time I finally started filming, I was already exhausted. So I moved filming to Monday mornings at 9 a.m. And that's now. Because Monday at 9 a.m. is my peak energy window. I haven't checked any emails yet. I haven't had any meetings. I haven't made any big decisions. My brain is kind of fresh. After 2 hours, my energy will drop, so I will stop. I don't push through. I don't just film one more. I respect the energy window. And that's the key. You need to find your peak energy window. For you, it might be Tuesday afternoons, or Thursday mornings, or Saturday at 6 AM. I don't know. You need to track it. So my last video explains you exactly how to track your energy and your time. But you need to watch out for these 5 mistakes that kill batch filming. Mistake number 1, you're filming different formats. Pick one format, batch that. Don't try to batch a talking head video and a vlog and a tutorial in the same session. Your brain can't switch between tasks that fast. Mistake number 2, you re-record your intro 10 times. Film it once, if you mess up, clap, and then keep going. You will fix it in post. Stop trying to be perfect on camera. Mistake number 3, you review footage between videos. You will find things you don't like, you will want to refilm. And suddenly your 2-hour session becomes 4 hours. Don't review until you're done. Mistake number 4, you didn't script the night before or the days before. If you're figuring out what to say on filming day, you're wasting your highest energy time on the lowest energy tasks. Mistake number 5, you film when you're tired. Batch filming only works in your high energy windows. If you're exhausted, don't film. Rather reschedule and protect your energy. For you, that means prep the night before. Prepare 4 video scripts and set out your equipment. On filming day, block 2 hours and film 4 videos. After you're done, transfer the footage or send it to your editor. But don't edit on the same day. Separate creation from evaluation. I made a whole video about that too, it's on my channel. And after that, you're done. You just covered 2 or more weeks of content in 2 hours. So now you know how to batch film without burning out. And batch filming becomes even more important if you are working a 9 to 5 and on the side you want to build your creator career. So my next video is about how to build your YouTube channel or your creator channel while you're working a 9 to 5. We see us there.